So I'm with Callum.
It's a big one.
Monica, Rob, and we're about to get some shots of the drone coming out of here. Not been done before by me. Been done before by other people, I'm sure. It's a beautiful day. The light is perfect. These guys, you know, they're all wearing the merch. What merch we got? Ticket to Ride.
Oh shit, just sit on the back.
Yeah,
That's good.
Maybe you guys like walk around just looking cool. Like, obviously watch out for the drone. Hey, maybe you can come out of like the shop like. Yeah, flick that amazing hair you got. Like, oh, we got another person. Right, I'm coming in, guys, watch out. Coming in hot. So, right, I'm gonna start. I won't be able to.
Why is it making a cracking sound?
Watch out, Rob. Watch out, Rob. And you're casually fixing your wetsuit? Oh, hey!
Girls, come out and sit.
Yeah, come out and sit, girls.
Girls, come out!
Yeah, but
sit
like,
down.
You know, slow, like, you know. Welcome to, what's it called? Ticket to Ride. Welcome to. Alright, that's one. Yeah, you stay there, girls. I'm going to go inside. Watch your arms, watch your arms. Don't want to hurt anyone.
The microphone's gone.
That's okay. Right.
Is this so hot in a hoodie?
So, Rob?
Yeah, well, I thought I was part of the team.
Right, ready? This is the one, guys.
Pure concentration. It's getting close. Really close.
Whoa! Shit, get up there! Oh no!
Oh dear.
Oh no!
Oh dear. Oh dear. That's the laugh of a madman.